Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of the Pancakeswap. What's the current price of the cake coin? What's the price change over the Pancakeswap? In this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends. Now this time I'm talking about the latest update of the 30 June, my friends. What will be the next move of the Pancakeswap? Is the price increase in the future? Is the price decrease in the future? In this video we are going to discuss. At this time, my friends, you can see here the current price of the Pancakeswap is $13.55 USD dollar. $13.55 USD dollar is the current price of the Pancakeswap. Furthermore, you can see here the last 1 hour, 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is open. The Pancakeswap is positive, my friends. Absolutely, the Pancakeswap chain is positive, and absolutely this time the Pancakeswap is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market. My friends, the whole chain is, you can see here, my friends, everything is on the front of your eyes. The whole chain is open. The Pancakeswap is positive, my friends. I am feeling very good. I am feeling very good about the Pancakeswap, my friends. And at this time, my friends, I will recommend for everyone, for all of you, that please buy more and more Pancakeswap. If you want to make a good amount of profit, so please buy more and more cake coin, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and update videos, my friends. Subscribe channel for more news and update videos. I absolutely, you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market on ABS Tech channel.